Electric motor.
Synthetic rigging.
Classic sailboat.
No electronics.
Crossing the Atlantic Ocean.
Going where the fair winds blow, our home is where the waters flow. We'll show you what we've come to know on board while sailing wisdom.
Alright, it's 1 in the morning. I'm done with watch. It's Maddie's turn. And I couldn't not look at the GPS coordinates on the radio. And I calculated our position, and it was like roughly in this very small range. Still a range. And I was like, oh, I just kind of wonder how close I am to it. And I looked at the coordinates, so I can't be trusted. So I put some electrical tape over the coordinate section, that way I can't see it. So I can look, I can see our speed, I can see our heading, can't see where we are. It's working. The issue I didn't realize would be so tricky is trying to get a sight at night of a star. The star is easy to see, but where's the horizon? Definitely, noon sights are going to be the way to go for this.
It's my turn to go on watch. We always do 4 hours on, 4 hours off. We're especially diligent when we are close to land. So we're about 9 miles from Boa Vista right now, and we're gonna head right past it, right in the middle of the night. So it's important to be pretty diligent and on.
Hello everyone. Today is October 19th. This is our second day at sea, and we are still in the archipelago of Cape Verde. So the winds have been really light, and we're moving along more with the current than with the sails. So we're currently passing the island of Boa Vista. So if we continue on this course, we're going to be able to see one, maybe two more islands, which it'll be nice to see some land before a month of no land. I just feel so rested and relaxed, just like at peace on this beautiful morning, just watching the sun come up. And there were some fishermen going around, just fishing, doing what they do, because all the people here, they're pretty much subsistence fishermen. How you doing? How you feeling?
I'm fine.
How's the seasickness?
It's not present right now.
You can see Boa Vista right now.
Are we still in the same place?
Oh no, we're past Boa Vista, but it's behind us. So so you don't want to go through the other islands, you just want to like scoot out and go?
Yeah, let's just get out of here.
Alright, well, right now we're like on a kind of a dead run, so Monty's stealing all the wind from the head sails. But we're just doing this to get to the next island. But we can just go more beam reachy, less dead run, and fill all the sails and get going. And we'll just go like that for a couple days or so until we get, too close for comfort to Africa. We'll just jab and go the other way.
Yeah. Okay.
Alright.
We're just trying to get south right now.
Yeah, south. I mean, ideally southwest. So a little trick to do the noon sight position is I use a hand-bearing compass, and that tells me where north is or south is and all, and I just line up, and when the shadow is directly over the north-south, it's noon. And you do have to, adjust for the magnetic variance, but then you don't have to sit out here for 20 minutes sighting it before and then after and then trying to figure out when did it happen. It's just, oh, it's time, and then you sight it. Where is the sun?
Lunchtime. We just went through a whole little horde of baby sea turtles and it was so cute. Anyone else would be motoring right now because there's barely any wind and the seas are super calm and nothing is happening. But anyone who motored right now would have totally missed all of these little sea turtles that went by.
There's one right now.
Oh, it's so cute! There he is! Oh my gosh! Oh, he just dove.
Yeah, bye dude. Mitch? Mitch.
So, this is definitely a highlight. I have never seen sea turtles before on a beach, let alone in the middle of the ocean. So cool. And they literally just hatched. They're like the size of my palm.
We're pretty close to a big shelf here. So up there, the water goes from 100 feet down to 3,000 feet. And there's currents and everything. And it's really turned up. I just got so relaxed and then tired. I'm gonna take a nap.
I'm reading 1984. Can't believe I've never read it before, but it's very good. Simple dinner tonight. I'm just making Spam and tomato sauce and pasta. Super easy, super fast, but delicious.
So how's your first day at sea been? Like your first full day?
Well, I'd say the sea turtles made it especially awesome. We didn't really go anywhere, but everything was worth it to see those little baby sea turtles. There's something special every day out here.
Can you take my reservation? I'll stay patient. When you see me at the table, join me. Won't take too much of your imagination. Look past what we had. I'm still wearing what you paid for. I don't care about the other night. Even though you can't be mine right now, I don't wanna be the side you see when you tell your mind right now. Oh, I know the time. Oh, it's in your mind.
passing between our last two islands. This will let us slip out and leave the archipelago and head out into the open Atlantic. I thought that the Cape Verdeans like threw something up into them to like transform them from thunderstorm to hurricane.
Now that we've been at sea for a few days, I'm still getting like pangs in my stomach every now and then because I just can't believe that we're doing this. Thanks for watching this episode of Sailing Wisdom. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and hit subscribe so you don't miss the next Rigging Doctor episode. And if you're interested in even more Rigging Doctor awesomeness, consider becoming a patron to see all of our extras. Can't wait to see you next time as you join us out here on the high seas.
Yeah, get the shadow. Oh. Put this down. Put this on. Put this. I should probably take my hat off first.